Hey, here's 3 tips that make a big difference in your house showings. Eric Catcher with Century 21. If you're looking to buy or sell, give me a call, love to help. Hey, welcome to spring. We're about to put our spring boxes and send them out to our clients. And I was just thinking some memories that I've had about homes that I shivered, of looking at a couple things. And so here we are, spring. What are we gonna do for spring cleaning? Here's a couple tips for you. Number 1, clean your air vent. Literally, I pulled this air vent like a quarter to a half-inch thick of just hair and dust and dog, and it was nasty. One of the things that the home inspector is gonna look at is your air vent. And if I look up there and I see it dirty, they're gonna immediately call that maybe that you guys have not been servicing your unit. So make sure you replace your air filter. And number 2, baseboards. I walk through a house and I see the dust and the dirt all over the baseboards, and like, this house is for sale and people are wanting to buy this house. And so, clean that up. And I know some of us have pets, and generally about how the size of your pet, whether it's like 1 foot, 3 feet, somewhere in between, there's a line of just kind of dirt kind of on the wall. So take a little sponge and clean that up with a magic eraser, of my wife's favorite little tool that she loves as well. If you could paint some of the trim and your outside and the entrance as you come up to the front, spruce it up, make it a little bit better. Number 3 is declutter some things. It's really fun when I go into houses and I see these magnets on the refrigerators with maybe schedules of like waste management, trash and stuff that are like from 2 years ago, or maybe there's a calendar on the wall that literally hasn't been changed for maybe a year or so. So, take time to look around and say, take the refrigerator stuff off and make sure you don't have like, just clean it and not have like fingerprints all over it. One of pet peeves a little bit is about mirrors. Having mirrors where you don't notice the mirror unless it's what? Dirty. So if you're like dental floss splattering all over the mirror, or handprints all over it, or maybe a little extra spray gone on it, clean the mirrors, dust the tops. I've seen some very dusty top of the mirrors as well. So guys, hope you enjoy these tips. Replacing your air filter, maybe painting some trim up in the front, and then also just doing some deep clean on your appliances and your mirrors throughout your house, and that will make it look much better and make you feel much better. So when you look inside the mirror, all you see is your face. All right, take care guys. Eric Catch, Century 21. We'll see you next time. Decluttering some things because, replacing your air filter. It's gonna be hot. Why does your hair look shorter today?
I cut my hair in January.
Okay, you cut your hair in January, it's not growing. I cut my hair.
In your gutters from all the leaves.
Is it, are we recording here?
Yeah.
Oh, I was doing these weird things.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
For 40 minutes, yeah.
You ready?